This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Valerie Williams. Looking for your forever home? Put this beautiful home on your must-see list. Welcome to this all-brick home with a great floor plan. The kitchen is bright with lots of cabinets and ample counter space. The breakfast area leads off to the deck, great place to enjoy your coffee. This home has 2 primary bedrooms with bathrooms, one on the first level and second level. Well-maintained landscape and a large backyard for entertaining or just relax on the deck. There are so many great features here. August 22, 2024. For more information, review the details below.